All right, are we working? Looks like it. All right, so I'm going to do, for my afternoon students, I'm going to do probably at least 2 math videos a week for you guys. This is the first one. Now, I sent to the email addresses you gave me, and I finally was able to get into Edsby. Edsby and my work email have been backed up because of everyone being on using those applications. So I finally got into my work email this afternoon. So anyway, today we're going to learn about perimeter. All perimeter is, it's geometry, by the way, that we're starting on. We're going to add all the, that's it. We're only going to focus on, right now, perimeter of rectangles and squares. So perimeter, all we're really doing is adding all the sides. Add up all the sides. You can probably see my microphone right here. I'm actually making use of this thing finally. And I dropped my cap for my marker. Something I hate about working from home. I'll find it. What's cool about these though, come with a little eraser on the end. So again, perimeter, add all the sides. So this little eraser works pretty well. Yeah, I just bought all this, so I don't want to like dry these markers out. That is not a flattering angle for me. So we're going to start simple. We're going to start with a square. Now, obviously, how many sides does a square have? 4. Are they all the same? Yeah. So this is like the easiest thing we're going to do here. We're going to draw a square. And I have my trusty ruler here. It's not going to be perfect. Actually, it might have pretty close to perfect. Almost done. Okay, ain't too bad. That isn't too bad, is it? Actually, that's pretty much perfect square. We're going to say each side is 6 inches. Can you all see that? 6 inches, right? Now, why'd I only write it once? Pretty simple. Well, I don't have students responding to me. Now, if I could get y'all in on Zoom, we could probably do this like early evening, a couple times a week. But 6 inches, right? So 6 inches times 4, right? So each side is going to be 6 inches. Boop. And so you see that? 6, 6, 6, and 6. Now, we can do this the long way. On the side here, let's draw a little line to separate that. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or we could do it this way, the easy way. 4 sides all the same, 6 inches each. How many inches, guys? 24 inches, right? 24 inches. That's our perimeter. We just add up all the sides. So that's how we do perimeter of a square. I could have done another square, but let's jump to rectangle. Let's keep this nice and simple. All right? Nice and simple. Now, I attached a bunch of worksheets to your emails, and what I'm going to do is I finally can get into Edsby. I think I'm going to attach them to Edsby too, just to play it safe. And when you guys do your work, camera got a little like faded for a minute. When you guys do your work later, allergies, not COVID, I promise. Not running a fever. No, I don't have the Rona. Well, that's a nice little rectangle, eh? Yeah, no cat sidekicks tonight. Maybe later. They're probably napping. We'll make this one. So our length, length is 5 inches. Height is 3 inches, right? So do you think, how are we going to get our answer, right? Not as easy with as a square, but not that hard. Here's what we do. It did that weird fade kind of blurry thing again when I leaned back. That's really bizarre. I think it's adjusting itself. I'm just using my laptop camera. So we have two that are 5 inches each, right? All right. And what do you think this one will be? If it's 3 on this side, it must be how many inches on this side? 3 inches. Let's add them all together. Or another way, there's 2 ways we can do this. Whatever one you like. And I'll tell you what, since you guys are partially teaching yourselves here, I'm going to be a nice lenient teacher. A nice lenient distance learning or e-learning teacher for you guys. Plus, I can't really enforce it. You guys can use calculators. I can't enforce it. So, 5 plus 5 for each of the 5-inch sides, 10. And then 3 inches for each of the 3-inch sides. There's 2 of them, so 3 plus 3 is 6, which gives us 16 inches. Now, other way we can do this. 5 times 2. 5 inches, 2 sides, each with 5 inches. That is 10. And what about 2 sides, each 3 inches? 6. Which gives us the same exact answer, 16. So our answer, I'll circle it just so we know what we're talking about. 16 inches. I was going to do one more rectangle and then go back to square. And then call it quits on this, and I'll upload it right after this. So I'll have to touch this up a little bit. So 8 inches and 5 inches. Might be a little hard to read on the camera. Boom. 8 inches and 5 inches. So we have 8 inch on top, 5 inches on the side. So, what do you think this side's going to be? Do you think it's going to be 8 inches or 5 inches? I'll give you a minute. If you said 5 inches, you're right. Good job. I think I have a bigger board in my huge storage closet here, but it's like a mess, so I gotta organize it. And if I find that, I might jump to that. Now, what about this side? What do we think it's gonna be? I'll give you a second. You got it. It's 8 inches. So let's add all these together. So, 8 plus 8, 16. 5 plus 5. 10. What's 16 plus 10? 26. 26 what? 26 inches. Boom. So let's try the other method. We have 8 inches 2 times and 5 inches 2 times. So what am I going to do here? 8 times 2, 16. 5 times 2. Add them together. What do you get? Anyone? Bueller. 26 inches. That's how we pretty much figure out perimeter of a square and a rectangle. Now, you have a bunch of worksheets with this to work on. I'd love it if you all could get them done by Friday. You know what? Even because we got a late start, even Monday is good. Monday. Yeah, I'm not going to be too picky. But let's do one more, and I'll post this. Let's do a square again. Those are nice and easy, eh? Oh, there's my cap. Perfect. Here's a nice little investment. If I decide to do online teaching for like China again, this would be like perfect. I mean, I already have a big board for that just in case, but you never know. Let me give you a harder number. I messed up my edge there. Okay, that's a horrible square. My apologies. I'm going to give you a hard number. Let's make it 20 inches. So, 20 inches, right? So, square, remember? Are all sides the same? Yeah? No? Yeah? So, 20 inches, right? How many sides? 4. So we could either add them or multiply 20 times 4. It's all up to you. So 20 inches 4 times. We could add them all together. +20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Pretty easy. Gives us how many inches for the perimeter? 80 inches. Now, we could also, I like the easy way of just multiplying it. 20 inches times 4, because it's a square. 80 inches. Same thing. That's that. That's the name of that game. All right, guys. So listen closely. I think you have 6 worksheets. Pretty simple. If you need help, feel free to reach out to me either via Edsby, or you can reach out to me. I sent those parents that I could get a hold of and get their emails. I sent out an email with all your work for math and science for the week, pretty much. I'm going to be working on more stuff for you guys. I can't wait to see everyone see everyone in May. That's what I meant to say. Not see you until then, but see you in May. Because, like the rest of us, and you guys included, we're all going a little stir crazy. You know, we all just want to get out and do something, you know? Alright, so be safe and take care. Goodbye. See you soon.